Reddit user Anon123 wrote, I was looking at apartments to rent online when suddenly. Now, that's creepy. This could be a case of pareidolia, which is a tendency to see faces in everyday objects. This could also be the reflection of the person who took this photo, but if you look closely, there doesn't appear to be any glasses in front of the door. How can be a reflection if there's nothing to reflect on? This one's pretty strange. User Chocolate Milk Mix captures one of the many strange occurrences that have been taking place in her home. Chocolate wrote, I finally got something from two angles. There is no way my husband will argue. I caught this using Alfred, a camera app. Here's the footage that was captured. Having two cameras really does help to prove this, but it would be a lot more compelling if a third camera was placed at an angle where both sides of the camera can be seen. In this way, we see for sure that there was no one pushing the bag. As far as authenticity goes, viewers can seem to find anything that proves this as fake. Mason Devos was working a night shift when he saw something that scared the living daylights out of him.
Misty as fuck out. And what the fuck? It's been moving back and forth, just looking at me.
There appears to be someone at a distance. However, this individual appeared to be really tall, and what makes this even more strange is that he was in the middle of nowhere, doing who knows what. But what would you do in this situation? Would you just ignore this creepy thing, or call it a day and just leave work? Or you will get closer to get a better footage? Write your thoughts in the comments. Take a look at this photo and see if you spot anything unusual. Do you see it? Well, how about now? There appears to be an ill-looking person in the background. The person who posted this stated that she went to an abandoned hospital with some friends and took this photo. The ghostly thing in the background went unnoticed until she went back home and looked closely at the image. It sure is scary, but I see nothing wrong with someone who just wanted to be included in the group picture. The more the merrier, as the saying goes. Just like the ocean, the sky itself contains many mysteries. From UFOs to floating cities, the sky is as vast as the sea of hidden mysteries. But as if the sky wasn't mysterious enough, a guy, Ian from California, captured the following footage. It appears as though a sound of trumpets is playing in the sky. Ian had no idea as to where this was coming from. He thinks that it might have been the movements of tectonic plates that were making this sound. But if that were the case, there should have been an earthquake that occurred. Ian hopes to get answers to this strange phenomenon. What do you think caused this to happen? The following video was uploaded by PabloBoy190, who along with his upload wrote, "A while back, about a year ago, me and my brother were playing Madden, and he decided to record me because I was raging, and we looked back at the video and we heard these screams. No one else was in the house except for me and my brother, and we can't explain what we heard that night. Here's the video.
Bible, I believe you. What is that, mother?
What are your thoughts on this? In Mineral Wells, Texas, there was a house that is known to be a hotspot for paranormal activities. There's always something going on in this house. But just recently, the owners of this house, which goes by the name of Haunted Hill House, shared a footage of what might be the scariest thing they've encountered. A group of tourists who were conducting their own paranormal investigation encountered something really terrifying. Watch this.
As you can see, she was yanked off the bed. This was not a fall. And then they ran out. We're going to rewind that and we're going to show you in regular screen at 2:15:41.
Rewind it one more time.
You're like, where'd she go? He just looks over and she's gone.
As you can see, there's no one beside her to pull her off the bed. Some think that she could have done this herself, but I highly doubt it. The way that she falls off seemed as though someone yanked her off the bed, but I'll let you decide as to whether or not that's the case. If anything, that night, I find myself tucking myself under the blanket away from the edge, which really says something about this video. Nicole Hogan was looking over at her doorbell camera's footage when something in the video catches her attention. Check this out.
That is a lie. That is a lie.
This could be an interference caused by a transmitter in close proximity, but Nicole states otherwise, as she was told by a representative of the doorbell company that the footage is very odd and could not be caused by interference. If it was not an interference, then what was it? The following clip shows a Tesla car detecting what seems to be a ghost.
Oh yeah, that'll show the camera, you're right. Little man there. But there's nothing there that should be.
Maybe it's the chair?
I don't know, it's showing it directly behind him. Remember when you were doing it? You had to be directly behind the car to cause it.
Yeah. Maybe it's the chair.
Because when you stood next to it, to the side, it didn't show little man. The detectors are...
Why is it moving?
Yeah, it's going back and forth.
I don't know.
That's weird. Oh, now he's
Where's
next to
another
it.
one?
It was next to it. Oh, was that my door?
What the f?
Why is it sensing all this? That one could just be the trash can, because the trash can's right
But
there.
it wasn't there before.
Yeah, it just
And the
popped up
car
out of the
hasn't
blue.
moved.
He's gone. Remember how accurate it was with that motorcycle?
It was very accurate. with the
Exactly.
motorcycle.
So if it was that accurate with the motorcycle, I can't imagine.
Considering how advanced Tesla's technology is, one can't help but wonder if this might be a paranormal incident. Could it be that Tesla's tech is so advanced that it is capable of detecting things that the human eyes can't? Or is that just a far-fetched theory, ghost, or glitch? Out of all the places, the cemetery is the last place I think of being a location to prank someone. The reason for this is not just out of respect for the deceased, but also out of fear, as the following illustrates. In the middle of the night, two cousins went out for a drive with their two kids, and they were hoping to scare them by taking them to the cemetery, where they would scare them. However, little did they know that they too would be getting scared. They wrote, "We took the boys to the cemetery down the road at midnight on a full moon. After pretending my car ran out of gas and we were stranded with no phones or flashlight in the middle of all the graves, we sufficiently freaked them out. Then, I told them that we had to take pictures around us because if there were ghosts, they would appear in the pictures. Hand to God, this is what appeared in one of our pictures. Now, we are all freaked. There appears to be a ghost-like picture in the distance. Whatever this is, it sure is unsettling, but as most images thought to be paranormal, this could be a case of pareidolia, a phenomenon that causes people to see things that aren't really there. Elizabeth Watson went out with some friends to a bar in Salzburg, Austria, and captured something pretty creepy. I'll let her explain what happened.
I always show this photo around Halloween time because it still totally freaks me out. But about 10 years ago, I was studying at the Salzburg International Ballet Academy in Salzburg, Austria. You can see me here, right here. And one night after a long week of dancing, some friends and I all went out to this bar called O'Malley's in downtown Salzburg. And if you ever find yourself in Salzburg, definitely look it up. It's awesome. Anyways, we're here at O'Malley's and we're having a good time and everything's fine. And Allison here in the middle was taking photos throughout the night and nothing of consequence happened. She took a bunch of pictures. We all went back home to the States about a month later and she finally uploaded the photos. And she uploaded this photo right here. And you can see me, I'm being sort of a downer over here for whatever reason. But Allison's dancing in the background and you can see behind her this figure, and it has a face, guys. Like, it has a face.
What makes this apparition creepy is the fact that this ghostly figure shows the resemblance to La Santa Muerte, which translates to Saint Death. As the name implies, Santa Muerte is a Catholic deity associated with death and the afterlife. With this in mind, it makes you wonder if the presence of this deity meant that someone at this bar was going to die. Who knows? On the side note, there's something else that Elizabeth missed in her photos. In the second pic, if you look closely, there appears to be another ghost-like figure in the background, although this could have been caused by the camera's movement. Robin Skirvin was looking over at his home security footage when he saw something that gave him chills. Take a look.
We believe we have caught a ghost on camera. Okay, there it is right there. Watch. It goes all the way across the camera. Now that you know where it's at, I'll pull out a little bit and just watch this thing. It goes all the way across. And there's not a light because there is no light back there behind. You can see up on the hill back there. There's no light there. There's nobody over here. But it's still going across the camera.
Robin doesn't know what to make of this. His only guess is that it might be ghost, which seems to be the case. Just like the previous clip, this one captured what appears to be an apparition manifesting and disappearing at the same time. It's pretty strange. Check this out. Could this just be a glitch from the camera? Or could this actually be a ghost? Whether glitch or ghost, this is still pretty creepy to see.